Hi friends, today we are going to discuss the second method to solve the linear equation in two variables, that is elimination by equating the coefficients. Now students generally find this bit difficult. There are two types of questions in this. Let's discuss them. I have taken 1.1 question 2 sub question 3. Now see, are the equations in standard form? Yes. So let the first equation be 2x minus 3y is equals to 9 and 2x plus y is equals to 13. That be your second equation. Now see here, the method is equating the coefficients. So first we should check what are the coefficients of both the variables. First we'll talk about x. Now the coefficients of x are 2 and 2. Whereas the coefficients of y are 3 and 1. सर 1 कैसे आया? मैं बोला था ना जिसका कोई नहीं होता उसका कौन होता है? 1. Now in this equation you will observe that x variable has the same coefficient. So we don't need to do any equating part. They already are same. So just we have to take care of sign and we have to perform the operation. Now for x in the first equation the coefficient is plus 2. And for x in second equation again it is plus 2. Now since both are plus we will subtract. Remember when the signs are opposite we add, when the signs are same we subtract. So I am going to subtract the second equation from 1. Now when I say second equation from 1, so first I'll add the first equation, then I'll add the second equation. Now, when we are subtracting, the sign gets changed. So plus 2x will become minus 2x, plus y will become minus y, plus 13 will become minus 13. Now, plus 2x minus 2x gets cancelled. Minus 3y minus y gives us minus 4y. And 9 minus 13 will give us minus 4. If you observe, on both sides of equal to sign we have minus sign, so that will get cancelled. So we get y is equals to minus 4 upon minus 4. So therefore y will become 1. Now once you get the value of one variable, you can substitute this value in any of the equation. For example, in this sum I am going to substitute y is equals to 1 in equation 2. Why I have taken equation 2? Because the coefficient of y is 1, so that will become easy for solving for us. So now the equation is 2x plus y is equals to 13, but my y value is 1. So instead of y, I can write 1. So it becomes 2x plus 1 is equals to 13. Now I will shift 1 on that side of equal to sign. It becomes 2x is equals to 13 minus 1. Therefore, 2x is equals to 12. So therefore, x is equals to what? It is 12 upon 2. Why upon 2? Because 2x, that means 2 is in multiplication with the variable. So when 2 will shift on that side of equal to sign, it will go for division. So 2 ones are 2 6 are. So the x value we get it as 6. Now we'll write the answer in statement form. So the solution of given simultaneous equation is what? It is 6, comma 1. Now let's have a look at second example where the coefficients are not same and we have to equate them. Now first equation is our 5m minus 3n is equals to 30, whereas the second equation is m minus 6n is equals to minus 7, that is the second equation. Now let's check the coefficients of variable m. The first coefficient is 5, the next coefficient is 1. Now they are not same. Let's check the coefficient of n also. It is 3 and 6. Now since the coefficients are not same, we have to make it same. Here we need to take the help of LCM. Now in this sum, I am going to make the coefficient same for m. Now coefficients of m are is what? 5 and 1. And LCM of 1 and 5 is 5. Now since first equation already has 5m, now to make the second equation as 5m, I will multiply the second equation by 5. Now when I do that, it gives me 5m minus 30n is equals to minus 35. Now that is your equation number 3. Now check the sign of the coefficient. It is plus 5m, it is plus 5m. Now since the signs are same, we need to subtract. So I'll subtract 2 from 1. Now why from 1? Because we have got the third equation from the second. So now we'll subtract the third equation from first. Now when we subtract third from 1, first we'll write the first equation, sorry, and then we'll write the third equation. Now again, when we subtract, the sign gets changed. So plus 5m will become minus 5m, minus 30 will become plus 30n, and minus 35 will become plus 35. Now this two gets cancelled. So minus 3n plus 30n gives us plus 27n. Same way, 19 plus 35 will give us 54. So therefore, n is equals to, it will become 54 upon 27. I hope you must have understood why it is upon 27. Now 27 ones are, 27 twos are. So it becomes n is equals to 2. Now once you get the value for n, we can substitute this in any of the first or second equation. We are going to substitute in equation 2 so that it will become m minus 6 into n is equals to minus 7. But instead of n, we can write it as 2. So it becomes m minus 6 into 2 is equals to minus 7. Now minus 6 into 2 will give us minus 12. So that is equals to minus 7. Now I will shift minus 12 on that side of equal to sign. It will become plus 12. So therefore, m is equals to 5. Now we have got the value for m and n. So we can write the answer in statement form. What is the statement form we write? Solution of the given simultaneous equation is m comma n, that is 5 comma n. I hope I have made this method clear and easy for you. I have taken both the type of sum for the better understanding. Thank you.